BJP, on the other hand, in the opposition, has hit out at the TMC, alleging that Mamata Banerjee has become jealous of the inauguration of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, saying that Mamata Banerjee is against Sanatan Dharma, and how can the TMC now make copy of one of the Char Dhams in the country?
সুপ্রিম কোর্টের নির্দেশকে মান্যতা দিয়ে অযোধ্যায় রাম মন্দির হলো, তখন ওনার হিংসা রিপুটা একটু সক্রিয় হলো। উনি ভাবলেন যে এটার ক্রেডিট তো মোদিজি নিয়ে নিবে, তাহলে আমাকেও একটা মন্দিরের আদলে কিছু তৈরি করতে হবে। এবারে হিন্দুদের সঙ্গে, হিন্দু সংগঠনের সঙ্গে উনার কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই, কারণ উনি হিন্দুজম সনাতন সংস্কৃতি মানেন না।
Well, Shreya is joining us right now. Shreya, good morning. As the Chief Minister herself has been reviewing the progress that has now been made of the very site which the BJP is saying that the party today is opposing the very construction of the temple, which will be a new feather in the cap of Bengal. However, the BJP has been alleging that this seems to be a copy of what Mamata Banerjee is aspiring to having been built, what is already there in Puri.
Well, of course, we see that Shubhendu Adhikari alleges that Mamata Banerjee is actually jealous of the Ram Mandir inauguration, and because of that, she has decided to do this dham in Digha. Remember, Shubhendu Adhikari also says that as a Bhakt of Lord Jagannath, he says that Puri Dham is one of the 4 dhams, and how dare Mamata Banerjee copy the Puri Dham? He says, do not copy it, no Hindu has given you that right. So of course we see that Shubhendu Adhikari targets Mamata Banerjee. He also goes on to say that the government cannot use funds from the state exchequer for the construction of any institution for a particular religion. So of course we see Shubhendu Adhikari targets Mamata Banerjee, says that Mamata Banerjee is actually building a cultural center.
All right. Let's, in the meantime, we also talk about how the TMC has been countering that charge, because here the Chief Minister making that announcement as she visited the temple site along with the required engineers and the priests as well. And of course, when it comes to the state of West Bengal, which is all set to get a Jagannath-like temple in Digha, as the Chief Minister made the announcement that it will be inaugurated and it will open on Akshay Tritiya next year in the month of April, on the 30th of April rather. But exactly when it comes to the very idea, Shreya, that has now been put in, and the thought that is now been put in when it comes to the construction of this temple, what exactly when it comes to the BJP is trying to oppose that the TMC here is trying to achieve?
Well, of course, we see TMC's Kunal Ghosh, he gets back at Shubhendu Adhikari. Kunal Ghosh says that this temple is going to be one of the attraction in the state because of this particular temple. Many tourists is going to come. This is going to be another feather. But what is Shubhendu Adhikari actually jealous about? It is actually the construction of a temple. Shubhendu Adhikari and BJP, they shout Hindu, Hindu all day. And when a temple is being constructed, they're getting jealous, they're opposing it. This is what Kunal Ghosh says, that this is going to be another achievement for the state, and he doesn't find any reason for Shubhendu Adhikari to become jealous about it. But as far as, remember, the BJP is concerned, Shubhendu Adhikari is concerned, he is saying that as a Bhakt of Lord Jagannath, he is opposing it because Mamata Banerjee is trying to copy the Puri Dham.
All right. As she's been reviewing the progress and formed a trustee board as well. But when it comes to this mandir exactly and the very nature of this mandir and the rituals that would be followed is something that the BJP is opposing. However, the TMC countering the charge by the BJP, saying that BJP today is opposing the construction of a temple which will add another feather to the cap of West Bengal.
মন্দির তৈরির কাজ এখন শেষ পর্যায়ে। মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী সেখানে গিয়েছেন, দেখেছেন এবং উদ্বোধন তিনি ঘোষণা করেছেন। কটাক্ষে নেমেছে
Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, has even criticized
সেটা তৈরি হচ্ছে, তাই নিয়ে কটাক্ষ, এত ঈর্ষা।
Jagannath Dham is being constructed, he is even opposing that.
সমুদ্র পাশে জগন্নাথ দেবের মন্দির, জগন্নাথ ধাম তৈরি হচ্ছে, কত মানুষ আসবেন, পুজো করবেন।
The Jagannath Dham will attract a crowd.
সারা পৃথিবীর বুকে
many people will come to offer to prayers. This will become an attraction in Bengal.
দীঘার জগন্নাথ ধাম এত ঈর্ষা কিসে? এরা
Why is he so jealous?
পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সবার সব ধর্মের
Religion is individual, but the state is for everybody.
ব্যবস্থা করে দিয়েছেন। তো সেখানে যদি নতুন এত বড় একটা আকর্ষণ
Mamata Banerjee first and respect for every religion.
জয় জগন্নাথ। তো আপনারা যারা হিন্দু হিন্দু করেন বিজেপি গায়ে কি
BJP shouts Hindu and Hindu.
মুসলিম সম্প্রদায়ের যেগুলো দরকার মমতা
Then
বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়
why are you jealous for the construction of Jagannath temple?
শিখদের করে দেন, সব ধর্মের করে দেন, হিন্দুদেরও করে দেন এবং একটা আলাদা আকর্ষণের কেন্দ্রবিন্দু হচ্ছে সেই
This is going to be a center for attraction in the state.
যে ছেলে মানুষই যে কটাক্ষ করছেন এ দেখে মনে হচ্ছে যে এদের গোটাটাই হচ্ছে মেকি, গোটাটাই মেকি।
The way Shubhendu Adhikari is criticizing this temple feels like the entire Hindu thing is a drama.
All right, that's the response coming in from the TMC side, saying that a considerable number of Bengalis who are devotees of Puri Jagannath Dham, and as far as the work that had already started years ago, soon when it comes to the temple will be open next year by the 30th of April. Shreya, thank you very much for joining in. We head into a short